All right, I hope you guys are doing good today. My name's Alex. I'm a bookkeeper with American Bookkeeping Services. And yeah, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the chart of accounts for this sample company that we're looking at today. So yeah, you can view your chart of accounts if you go into your QuickBooks Online, go to Transactions, and go all the way down to Chart of Accounts. So a chart of accounts is a way to categorize money coming in, money coming out into specific categories. So for instance, we have checking, savings, accounts receivable, inventory assets. So anything that we plan to sell would be considered inventory if you are a business that sells physical products. Prepaid expenses is something that, if you're paying rent ahead of time, so if you're paying for next month's rent as well, that's considered an asset. Uncategorized assets, undeposited funds. So if we get a check from a client, we might mark it in undeposited funds, but we always have to remember to clear our undeposited funds and take those checks to the bank often, right? As often as we can. We don't want to be forgetting to deposit any checks. So just make sure that you're doing your best with that. Also, we have an asset like a truck. And we also have accounts payable, so things that you owe out, a bill from a vendor, for instance. We also have MasterCard and Visa credit cards as well. So we might have to pay those off. And then different things like the Department of Revenue. We have a loan here, so now we're getting into more liabilities. Notes payable, loan payable. Those are similar. And then equity. So equity is basically the owner's stake. So assets minus liabilities will give you the equity. So that's how much would be left over in basically what the company would be worth. So we also have retained earnings, billable expense income. Some of these other accounts here, you'll see that this person has a lot of different accounts. Uncategorized income, we want to try to categorize all of our income as best we can. Pest control services, other expenses, advertising, automobile, that's a good one to keep track of your costs for that, for travel and whatnot, because that is tax deductible. Yeah, insurance, another expense, some more expenses, permits, legal and professional fees, more expenses, and yeah. So just looking through this, I thought it would be good just to show you guys what a chart of accounts looks like. So yeah, try to keep it as organized as possible. But if you do need a bookkeeper, my name is Alex. I am a bookkeeper and I work at American Bookkeeping Services. So yeah, thank you very much. Hope you have a great day and excited to keep making these videos.